If the alarm is not ringing or not working on your iPhone, that's no problem because there are a number of different steps that we can take to get that working so that you're able to hear the alarm and, of course, wake up when you need to wake up or do whatever the alarm tells you to do. So let's jump right in. Now, the first thing you're going to do is close out of the alarm app or clock app. So completely close out of it. And the next thing we're going to do is tap on the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on Bluetooth midway down. Now, if you're connected to a Bluetooth speaker, potentially that alarm is being routed through a Bluetooth speaker like Bose headphones or something like that. So all you need to do is toggle Bluetooth off and try the alarm with Bluetooth off to see if that works. The next thing we're going to do is tap the back arrow, scroll down from here, and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Now, the alarm or ringtone volume is the same. You can see on here, I'm going to turn this all the way up. Keep in mind, this is your alarm clock sound. If you swipe down from the top right, this is not your alarm clock sound. This is the sound that you use for, listening to music and watching YouTube videos like this one, etc. After you've done that, let's scroll down from here and tap on Default Alerts. Tap on that and make sure this is set to something like Rebound or, Tritone or something like that. And now let's go back into the clock app. So take your finger and swipe down and just open up the clock app here. And if this alarm still isn't working, swipe to the left and delete it. And then just tap on the plus at the top right. After you've done that, make sure to set the alarm. Let's say I want it to be 8:06 a.m. or 8 a.m. And on here, make sure sound on here is set to something like radio or something that you'll be able to hear. Of course, make sure that it's not set to no sound. And then tap the back arrow and keep in mind you might be accidentally hitting the snooze button. So try to turn off snooze and see if it works with snooze being turned off. And try that. However, if that doesn't work for you, that's no problem because there might be an issue with iOS. So let's fix that. Let's head back into the Settings app on your iPhone and we'll go back to the beginning of your settings. So just tap the back arrow and swipe to the top. From here, tap on General midway down, and then tap on Software Update. Just update your phone, then basically get the iOS 26.6. A lot of times this fixes the issue, but if it doesn't, just tap the back arrow, scroll to the bottom, and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. From here, just tap on the Reset option at the top, and we're going to choose Reset All Settings at the top. Now, it will ask you for the passcode used to unlock your phone, so just enter that in. And keep in mind, when you do this, it will remove your Apple Pay cards and keys and passes, but it will not delete any of your data. So just tap on Reset All Settings, and that should fix the alarm if it's not ringing or too quiet. However, if this doesn't, let's do a force restart on your phone. That almost always fixes it. So hop out of here, and to do that force restart or force reset, we're going to press the volume up, volume down, and then press and hold that side button. Now, when you do this, it will automatically power off your phone and then restart it. It doesn't delete anything. It's perfectly safe for your phone. And you're just going to hold that side power button until you see an Apple logo and then release your fingers. At this point, most channels ask you to like or subscribe. I'm not going to do that. I just want to thank you for spending a couple minutes of your day here with me. I know your time is valuable, and I hope this video helped you and helped make your day a little easier today.